Hey guys, let me ask you a few questions. Can you travel 20 meters to your left or 10 meters to your right? Pretty easy. How about 30 meters above the ground? Well, I guess in today's scenario, people can travel even a kilometer above the ground. So, to make it more mind-boggling, can you travel 10 years into the future or even the past? Traveling through time? The question itself is quite intriguing, isn't it? To make it more interesting, let me tell you that time travel is possible. The concept of time travel is as fascinating as the term itself. Actually, we all have traveled approximately 40 seconds into the future since the start of this video. But that's boring time travel. It would be more interesting if you could time travel relative to those around us. Here comes the idea of time dilation. Now, to understand the concept, let's start dribbling a basketball. So, when you drop it straight to the ground, it'll bounce back to you. Here, since you are stationary, you'll see the ball moving in a straight line. But an observer moving in a car would see the ball making a triangular trajectory. Now, what if the ball is nothing but a ray of light and it's bouncing between two mirrors? Here, the distance observed will be more for the other observer, but this time the speed of light would be same for both. Hence, the time span would increase for the observer sitting in the moving object. Here, when the system is stationary, let this distance be x and time taken by the light to cover it be t0. So, we get x is equal to ct0. Now, when the system starts moving with velocity v, and if the time taken by the light to reach from bottom to top is t, then this distance becomes ct and this becomes vt, while this vertical distance remains the same. Now, by applying the Pythagoras theorem, we get this equation. And after rearranging it, we get the equation of time dilation. Let us suppose that Jerry is being chased by Tom. While being chased, Jerry finds a super rocket which travels closer to the speed of light. He quickly jumps into the rocket and escapes. Tom stays there. But Jerry, being a curious guy, goes into the space to explore the universe. He returns after 3 years. But to his surprise, he realizes that on Earth it had passed 21 years. Now, we realize that Jerry somehow traveled into the future. But can someone travel into the past? And if that someone travels into the past, what will happen to the future if he or she changes the past? Will the future change? Or will an alternate timeline will be created? Just like this, there are a lot of questions to which we don't have answers yet. But all we need to do is change our perspectives.